Kane. Oh, Kane. Oh, I'm not mad at you just because you sucked up to Vince McMahon, because I've been guilty of the same thing. So we step inside the Continental Airlines arena in a match where falls count anywhere and rules don't apply. I won't be maiming you because I hate you. I'll be maiming you because, as KC and the Sunshine Band said, that's the way, I like it. And so will all the fans, won't you? Have a nice day. Rock, there's two things that come to my mind when I think about you. How very talented you are, and what a complete jerk you are. You see, Rock, I have not forgiven the Royal Rumble, and you have not forgotten the empty arena. Have you, Rock? We're going to have an arena full of people, and we'll see who the last man standing will be. And I'm putting my money on me. Have a nice day, Rock. Who would have thought, after 14 years of blood, sweat, and tears, the highlight of my career would come simply by saying, 1, 2, 3. It was as easy as A, B, C. Do, re, mi. Baby, you and me. Have a nice day.